Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my custom MOC house that I've made in the middle of the desert with a creek. So let's get started with our car. So we're going to park at our house in here. And there's the desert with all these plants near the river. I just got these pieces at the Lego store from the BrickPlusBrick wall, so they're nice and fresh. And these gray pieces are also from the Lego store that I used for the house. And let's just put this flower back. So this is the little creek that's in the middle. You can see that it's going through the middle, and there's a little bridge over it, a bunch of gravel. So let's just use a smaller car. So these kinds of things can fit on it, and even minifigures. Speaking of minifigures, this house door is just about the size of a minifigure, so you can fit your minifigures in here. And then on this side, we have a little green hill area over here. This part is like a little green valley. Same for over here. And our little house tour is done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!